Okay, so if you're a music lover like me, then you're probably still mourning the death of the MTV music channels. At the end of December 2025, unfortunately, they closed down. But if you've got a Fire TV stick, Fire TV Cube, an Android TV, a Roku device, a Samsung or a Vizio device, there is a great music streaming service for you. As you can see here, there are plenty of categories. So here we've got most watched, go back to fresh and popular, pop, hip hop, rock, R&B and soul, country, electronic and dance, indie and alternative, metal, classical, global, 50s, 60s and 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, 2000s and 10s. You've got the different moods, you've got themes, you've got cultural collections, seasonal favourites, but not only that, you can go into a mixer here and you can start a music mix, so you can select the category, whether it be pop, rap and hip-hop, R&B and soul, indie, alternative, all genres, rock, hardcore, metal, electronic dance, Latin and country. And then you can select the year, so you can do now, 10s, noughts, all decades, 90s, 80s, 70s and before. And you can filter it even further, chill, live, acoustic, all filters, animated, black and white, and then just go to start mix and it will start playing videos upon what you've chosen. You've even got the option to search for videos. You've even got the option to search for videos or artists, or you can just browse, as I showed you earlier. And the great thing is it requires no sign up whatsoever. And unlike the MTV channels in a lot of countries, there's no subscription required. It's just ad funded. All you need to do is head over to your app store and search for Excite, X-I-T-E, and see if you can find it. Now, I'm in the United Kingdom. I'm running a 4K Max 2nd Gen Firestick running Fire OS 8. And if I go into the Amazon App Store to search, if I just type in Excite, X-I, and as I'm typing it, it comes up. There we go, Excite just there. I've also got an Android TV box, a Thomson Android TV box, and if I go in to search for apps and games and search for Excite on there too, you should see, once I search for it, it should then appear. There we go, Excite music videos. So as you can see, it is available on, certainly in the UK, on the Fire TV stick, running Fire OS 8 definitely. If you're running a different version of Fire OS and got a different Fire TV device, let us know in the comments down below what Fire OS device you're using, whether it be a 4K Max or a 4K or a normal HD Fire Stick, what Fire OS you're running, whether it be 5, 6, 7 or 8. Also, if you've got an Android TV box, let us know what version of Android TV you're running. The version I'm running here is Android 14. As I say, it's a Thomson 270 box, but I understand Excite is available, certainly in the UK, on other Android boxes too. I've checked my iPad and iPhone, but unfortunately it's not available in the Apple App Store. So there you go, a great app for anyone missing their MTV music. Let us know in the comments down below. Let us know what you're currently listening to. Also, if you're listening to a mix at the moment, let us know what mix you're listening to. That would be great. It would be great to hear from you.